The CFPB is gone. Banks, lenders, and debt collectors now have a free pass to rob you blind, and no one is stopping them. But here's the deal. You can still fight back. Stay with me because by the end of this video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to protect yourself, boost your credit, and stop financial predators from taking advantage of you. You might have heard the news. The CFPB, or Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, is effectively shut down. Here's why that's a big problem. It was the only agency protecting consumers from shady banks and lenders. It forced credit bureaus to play fair and remove fraudulent accounts. It helped Americans recover $21 billion from unfair financial practices. But now, that protection is gone. Your credit score could drop unfairly. Debt collectors can use illegal tactics and get away with it. Banks can deny your fraud claims, no consequences. But I'm not here to just give you bad news. I'm here to show you how to fight back. Let's break down the 5 best strategies to remove negative items from your credit report, starting right now. First up, factual disputing. This is not your typical dispute letter method. This is about using facts against the credit bureaus. Here's how it works. Pull your full credit report. I have a link below to get yours easily. Look for inconsistencies in dates, payment history, or balances. Use 15 U.S.C. 1681 (E.B.) Fair Credit Reporting Act to demand deletion. For example, if an account says one date on Experian and a different date on TransUnion, that's inaccurate and you can demand removal. Pro tip: the more inconsistencies you find, the stronger your case. I've got a template in the description that you can use to send your dispute letter today. Next, let's talk about debt collectors, because now that the CFPB is gone, they're coming for you. Most people don't realize this, but debt collectors break the law all the time, and you can use that against them. Here's the secret. Under 15 U.S.C. 1692, C, Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, if a debt collector contacts you improperly, you can demand they cease all communication, sue them for violating your rights, and get the debt completely removed from your report. Action step: send a cease and desist letter today to stop harassing calls and letters. I have a free template below to make it easy. If the credit bureaus or debt collectors aren't playing fair, you can go over their heads. Here's how. First, file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau. Second, contact your state attorney general's office. They have the power to investigate shady financial companies. And third, use their violations to demand deletions. I'll show you exactly how to do this in the next video, so don't miss it. Want to level up your credit repair? AI can now generate perfect dispute letters based on your actual credit report. Here's how. First, screenshot your negative accounts. Next, upload them to ChatGPT or another AI tool. Then ask it to create a Metro 2 compliance letter for deletion. This method has been insanely effective for getting accounts removed. I break down how to do this step by step in my free credit repair guide below. I've saved the best for last. If you want professional help taking on these companies, a consumer attorney is your best bet. They know the laws, they can take legal action fast, and they often work on contingency, meaning you only pay if you win. I've got a trusted credit attorney who specializes in this. Watch my next video to learn more. If you found this valuable, like and share this video, because most people have no idea how bad this is. Ready to take control? Click the link below to get started. Comment below. Do you think the CFPB shutdown is a disaster or an opportunity to take control?